What's going on, guys? Tarina with MKE German Shepherds out here with the puppies. That's my keeper male, Mr. Blitz. That's Mr. Blitz. And that's my keeper female chomping on something. What you got? Give me that. All of the puppies are out getting their last playtime because it's a little bittersweet news, but Miss Pink there was supposed to go home tomorrow, but they want her today, so we're going to be dropping her off in a little bit. So this is their last playtime with their sister. Pinkie Pie, come on. They actually named her Bella. Come on. Leave that alone. So they're out running around in my front yard. Donovan's entertaining his little sister. All the puppies want to go and mess with her. Leave her alone. Come on. Did they find? I think we got a jailbreak. Oh no. About to say, I thought they figured out how to get back there. The big dogs are back there. But they're not back there right now. That's where they normally are. But they're in the house so they don't bark while the puppies are out because they want to come up front. But I like my grass. So we're going to leave the big dogs in so they don't tear it up again. That's Blue Boy. Mr. Blue will be going home on Saturday. Like I said, he's staying. That red girl there is going to Colorado, and she's going with her. So all of the puppies will be in their new homes, stop down, by August 17th. But you can keep following along because we're going to be keeping her and him, and we'll start our training videos then when I have more free time, for sure. Just like little videos of Cairo, but those halted because I got pregnant and I got too busy. So we'll hit the reset button with these pups here. Get them trained up. Do some how-to videos. Leave that alone, Echo. Leave it alone. Come on. Leave it. Leave it. So it's actually cool to see. Bittersweet. Sad that she's going, but we know that she's going to a loving home. And I'm excited to see what she's going to turn into. You say bye? Pinkie? Trying to figure out what that sound is. Get used to those sounds in Milwaukee. Get used to them sounds. They'll be hearing lots of that in the big city, and you can see they're unfazed. All of these dogs are super strong and super confident. I'm super excited to see what they're going to turn into. So I've talked to all of the new owners, and they are more than willing to send us updates with pictures and videos. Mr. Blue, Bubba, come here. Yay! Him and Pink are actually very, very similar in their look. He doesn't have a little white tip on his tail. That's how I can easily tell them apart. Come down. There's Pinkie Pie. Come on. Get down. Y'all trying to get up to the baby. Anyway, we're going to be signing out right now. So if you haven't already, like. If you haven't already, subscribe. Drop us a comment. See who's your favorite one. Put your favorite puppy down in the comment section. Sneaky boy, how you get up here? How'd you get up here, huh? My son calls him his little blueberry. We call him Tank because he's a big boy. But he has no official name yet.
Hey, leave it.
Pink, you keep on getting back up there. Get down. Leave the baby. She is a super sweet dog. Look.
Blueberry.
They keep messing with my baby. She's not a toy. Get down. Get down. But yeah, I'm excited to see what we get from these little guys. Pinky, you can see, and she's not biting her. She's just licking her. See, she's one of the sweet ones that don't. Hello. We're trying to see her face. Now, if I tried to pet Yellow like this, she'd be tearing my hands up. That's her right there. The two wild stallions are going together. And the boys are actually very, very calm. That's them right there. Get their mom toy. And woo! Right there. That's a little Hellraiser right there. We're going to have some exciting time training her. Come here. Let me fix your ear. All right, you fixed it. Good girl. So she's going to be heading out here. As soon as my husband gets back from work, she's going to be going to her home. We got her puppy pack. We got her papers. Got all her records. She'll be going with Randy. You can't mess with the baby. Pink. Ow. I just said you were sweet. Look at you. Go down. Say bye-bye.